Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is height and distance. Okay. Today I am here to discuss some numerical of height and distance. How to solve this question and what is the approach of this question. Okay. How to solve this? How to solve this question? Try to understand how to solve this question. Two ships are sailing in the sea on the two sides of a lighthouse. Okay. It is the lighthouse. Okay. The angle of elevation means if the horizontal line and the point is above of the horizontal line. Okay, it is angle of elevation. Okay, कल किया था बेसिक और हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस बेसिक. ओके, ठीक है. तो अब ये देखिए कैसे करते हैं. इट इज द लाइट हाउस and it is the ground. Okay, or ground is sorry. Two ship are sailing in the sea. Two ship. It is the one ship. It is the lighthouse, and it is the one ship. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of this light is observed from the ships are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. One ship is 30 degree and another is 45 degree. It is the horizontal line and the point is here and point is here. Okay, point is here. So above the horizontal line means angle of elevation. Angle in this question given angle of elevation means point is above of this horizontal line. Okay, so in this angle of elevation it is 30 degree and it is 45 degree. Okay, let it is A, it is B, it is C, and it is D. Okay, it is a lighthouse, it is ship, it is ship. Okay, two ship. Okay, angle of elevation 30 degree and 45 degree, 30 degree and 45 degree. If the lighthouse is 100 meter height, lighthouse का height कितना है 100 meter. Okay, then the distance between the two ships, it is one ship, it is one ship. B is one ship and C is one ship. Distance between the two ship means B C का distance निकालना है. Okay, BC is equals to BD plus DC. Okay, BC is equals to BD plus DC. Okay, then okay, in this question height is given, but get and find distance between the two ships means base. We need to find base value. Okay, in this triangle ABD, let ABD triangle and ABD. Okay, ABD triangle, it is the angle and this angle face to this, it is height and it is base. Let 10 30 degree. Okay, 10 30 degree means 10 means height by distance. Height by distance means AD by BD. Okay, tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3, and AD means 100 meter, and BD not given. Okay, BD not given. We find BD plus DC equals to BC. BD is equals to 100 root 3 meter. Okay, next we let ACD angle. Okay, triangle ACD. In this triangle, 45 degree, we let 45 degree and 45 this angle face to this, and it is the height of this height of this triangle, and it is base. Okay, means 10 45 degree is equals to height by base. In this triangle, height means AD and base means DC. Okay, height is AD, value is 100 meter. AD value is 100 meter. DC 1045 value is 1. Okay, then DC is equals to 100 meter. In this question, the distance between the two ship is BC, BD plus DC. BC is equals to BD plus DC. DC is 100 and BD is 100 root 3. Okay, 100 root 3. Then 100 common root 3 plus 1. Root 3 below is 1.73 something. Okay, plus 1 is equals to 100. 1.73 plus 1 means into 2.73 is equals to 2273 meter. Okay, correct, easy. देखो क्या क्या था. Two ships are sailing in the sea on the two sides of a lighthouse. It is the lighthouse. Two ships are here. It is the one ship. The angle of elevation of the top of this lighthouse is observed from this ship are 30 degree and 45 degree. One ship angle of elevation is 30 degree and another is 45 degree. Okay, in this question, in ABD triangle, tan 30 degree is equals to height by base. AD by BD means AD means 100 meter and BD means BD not given. We find BD. Okay, BD is equals to 100 root 3. 1030 value is 1 by root 3, and BD is equals to 100 root 3 meter. Okay, let triangle ACD. Okay, ACD triangle में 1045 is equals to, in this triangle it is height and it is base. Okay, so means AD by DC. AD means 100 and DC means DC we need to find DC. DC is equals to 1045 is equals to 1 DC here, and DC is equals to 100 meter. Then find distance between the two ship. BC means BD plus DC. Okay, BD plus DC. BD's value is 100 root 3. BD value is 100 root 3. Okay, BD value is 100 root 3 plus DC value is DC value is DC value is 100 meter. DC value is 100 meter. Then equals to 100 root 3 plus 1. Okay, 100 root 3 value is 1.73 something plus 1.73 plus 1 is equals to 2.73. Then 100 so multiply to 273 meter answer. Okay, next question. The angle of elevation of a ladder. Okay, lining against a wall. It is the wall. Let it is wall. Okay, the angle of elevation or of a ladder lining against a wall. It is ladder is 60 degree. Okay, angle of elevation. Angle of it is the point, and it is the horizontal line. 60 degree, and the foot of the ladder is 4.6 meter away from the wall. मतलब ladder and wall का distance कितना है 4.6 meter. 4.6 meter, and it is the height of the wall. It is the height of the wall. Okay, then the length of the ladder is, to find length of the ladder means it is 60 degree into 60 degree. Okay, in this angle it is height and it is base and it is hypotenuse. It is A. It is A, B, C. In this triangle A, B, C, we need to find this hypotenuse. Then we take tan sine cos what? If I take sine, then our sine is equals to height by base. Okay, sine is equals to height by base. If I take sine is equals to height by base, I get height of this wall. But in this question, we need to find ladder height, length of the ladder. Okay, in this diagram, what is ladder? AB is ladder. Okay, AB is ladder. AB is ladder. Okay, and AC is wall. Okay, AC is wall. So we take sine, cos, or tan. If I take tan, then height by base. But we need to this length. It is hypotenuse of this ABC triangle. Okay. So cos means base by hypotenuse. If I take cos 60 degree, then base, it is base, BC is base, and AB is hypotenuse. Okay, BC is hypotenuse 4.6 meter, and AB's distance. AB distance is, what is AB distance? AB distance, we need to find AB distance. It is the hypotenuse of the triangle. BC is base and AB is hypotenuse. Okay. Cos 60 degree value. What is the cos 60 degree value? Cos 60 degree value. Cos 60 degree value. What? Cos 60 degree value is half, 1/2. Okay. So AB value is 2 into 4.6 meter. Okay. 6 to the 12, 1, 8, 1, मतलब 9.2 meter. Okay. Next question. Easy. Repeat. The angle of elevation of a ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree. It is ladder and it is wall. 60 degree angle of elevation. The foot of the ladder is 4.6 meter away. The foot of the ladder is 4.6 meter away from the wall. It is ladder and it is wall. Distance between the ladder and wall is 4.6 meter, and it is height of this wall, and it is ladder. Okay. In this ABC triangle, if I ABC triangle, we take this 60 degree. This 60 degree, it is height and it is it is a base and it is hypotenuse. Okay. Cos 60 degree, if cos 60 degree is equals to, we need to take cos 60 degree, because we uh, we need to find a ladder height. Okay. Ladder length of the ladder. Okay. Then it is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Okay. Then cos 60 degree means base divided by hypotenuse. Okay. Base divided by hypotenuse is BC value is 4.6 meter, and AB, we need to find AB value. AB and cos 60 degree is equals to half. Then AB is equals to 2 into 4.6 is equals to 9.2 meter. Correct. Next question. The angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow, okay, length of the shadow of a tree, it is the tree, okay. It is the tree. Shadow of tree, three times the height of the tree. If it is h, 3 times the angle of elevation, when the length of the shadow of a tree, 3 times. Okay. If it is the hypotenuse of this triangle ABC, in this question, the angle we find, we need to find the angle of elevation. Let it is theta. Angle of elevation, it is theta. Okay. If AC, if we let AC is h meter, when the length of the shadow of a 3 times of the height of the length of shadow, it is the shadow of this tree, okay. BC is the shadow. BC is shadow. Okay, shadow value is 3 times of the tree. 3 times of the tree. In this question, it is some error here. It is not 3, it is root 3. Okay, why it is root 3? Because in this in trigonometry, every value some sine 90 degrees, some 20 degrees, some cosec value is only root 3 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2 something na. So in this question it is root 3. Okay, it is some error mistake in this question. Okay, it is root 3. Okay, this is root 3. If it is root 3h, BC's value is root 3h, and AC is h, and AC is h, then tan theta, we let tan theta, because in this question we get angle of elevation. Okay, but in this question only given this value and this value. Okay, means height divided by height, sorry, base. Height divided by base. Height divided by base means it is 10. Okay, tan theta is equals to height divided by base means it is tan theta. Okay, tan theta is equals to h by root 3h. H cancel. It is tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, so then tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3 means 10 30 degree. Okay, 10 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 na. Tan cancel, then theta is equals to 30 degree. So angle of elevation value is 30 degree. I repeat, if we take AC, the wall value is h. Wall value is h, and BC is the base of the BC is the distance between the ladder and wall. Okay, root 3h. Why it is root 3h? In this question, the shadow of a tree is 3 times the height, root 3 times the height. Root 3 times shadow value is root 3 times of the height. Root 3 times of the height. Matlab root 3 into height. Okay. BC value is root 3 into height. Tan theta, in this question some error because it is not 3, it is root 3. Okay, because in trigonometry sine cos tan theta, every some value is, some degree value is in the form of root 3 value. Okay, root 3 by 2. Okay, then 1 by root 3, that's why it is root 3. Okay, root 3. Okay, root 3 times of root 3 h meter, then tan theta is equals to h by root 3 h, and tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, so tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3 value is 10 30 degree value. So tan 30 degree value is equals to tan theta is equals to tan 30 degree. Tan cancel, then theta is equals to 30 degree. Okay, fine. Next question. From the top of a tower, man finds from the top of a tower, angle of depression. Okay, it is the angle of depression question. Okay, how to solve this angle of depression question? Okay, from the top of the tower, it is the top of the tower. Okay, it is top of the tower. A man finds the angle of depression. Angle of depression. Angle of depression means it is the horizontal line. Angle of depression means if the point below the horizontal line, okay, it is the angle of depression. Okay, it is horizontal line and point is here. Point is here. Okay, it is the ground of the line, ground, and it is triangle. Okay, A, B, C triangle. From the top of the tower, a man finds the angle of depression of a curve. It is a curve. B is curve. Okay, let it B is curve. B is curve, and the angle of depression on the ground is 30°. Angle of depression is 30°. It is 30°. If it is 30°, then its value is always 30°. Okay, it is the same value. Okay, if it is 60°, this angle will be 60°. Okay, if it is 90°, 90°, if it is 45°, then this angle will be 45°. Okay, this angle and this angle is always equal. Okay, in this triangle, ABC triangle, A B C triangle, in this ABC triangle, if the car if the car is at a distance 40 meters from the tower, it is the tower, and it is the car. Distance between the tower and car is 40 meter. 40 meter. Find the height of the tower. We need to find this AC distance. Okay, if AC is h, find the height of the tower. Okay, AC 10 30°. If we need to find h, means AC distance, and base is given. We need to take tan value, 10 30° value. Okay, 10 30° is 1 by root 3. We know in AC value is h and BC is 40. Okay, then height of this tower is h is equals to 40 by root 3. Okay, then how to solve this? It is root 3 and it is root 3. We take this root 3, this root 3, same value, root 3 cancel, 40 by root 3. Okay, if it is root 3, then it is 3, then it is 3. Okay, it is 3 and it is 40 root 3. So what is the value? It calculation 3 से कट जाएगा, कितना होगा? 3 1 3 13 पॉइंट समथिंग कैलकुलेटर से निकल जाएगा. ठीक है, repeat. From the top of a tower, it is the top of the tower. A man is here, and man find the angle of depression. Finds the angle of depression of a curve. It is the curve, and man. It is object. It is man object. Sorry, car is object, and a man is observer. Observer look this, and it is angle of depression because it is the horizontal line, and a point below of this horizontal line, then angle of depression, it is angle of depression. If it is 30 degree, then this angle will be 30 degree, always equal. Okay, tan 30 degree is equals to AC by AV. Tan, we need to take tan below, because in this triangle given base below and height below. Okay, AC by BC. So AC value is H and BC value is 40. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and AC is H and BC is 40, and then 40 by root 3, and we take root 3 and root 3. Root 3 cancel. So same value 40 by root 3. So root 3 into root 3 means 3, and 40 root 3. 3 cut 3 and 40. So okay, 13 point something. Calculator, using calculator we find H value. Okay, something 21 meter. Okay, answer. Okay, H value is 21 meters. 21 meters. Okay, next question. Last question. Okay, from the top of a cliff. From the top of a cliff. Okay, from the top of a cliff. It is 200 meter. It is 200 meter. The angle of depression of two places A and B. It is A. Two places. Top of a cliff. Angle of depression. It is horizontal line. It is here. It is here. Angle of depression. It is 30 degree. It is 60 degree. Okay. N. O. Find the distance between M and. We need to find MN. Okay. Why it is 60 degree? It is angle of depression. 60 degree. And it is 30 degree. Angle of depression value. If it is 60 degree, then it is 60 degree. If it is 30 degree, it is 30 degree. Always. Okay. This angle and this angle is always equal. Okay. And it is cliff 200 meter height. Find the distance between M and N. M and N. Okay. It is the height of the cliff. Okay. How to solve this? It is horizontal line. Point is below of this horizontal line. So then angle of depression value is 60 degree. If it is 60 degree, then it is 60 degree. If it is 30 degree, then it is 30 degree. Okay. We need M and O. It is P. Okay. Let one triangle MOP. MOP. Let MOP 10 yes, we take 10. Why? Because given height, we need to find base MN value, distance between the 2 point MN. Okay. If MP, we need we take we need to find MP value, then PN value plus MP value plus PN value, then we take MN value. Okay. In this triangle MPO. Okay, MP angle MOP is a MOP, or if take angle M, sorry, OMP. If we need to take angle, then we need to write this sequence OMP. If we need to take angle, then OMP. If triangle, not need to sequence MOP, OPM, not to need sequentially. Okay. If need to take angle, then we need to take sequence value OMP. If we need to take this angle, okay, OMP sequence below, and we need to take angle. Okay, it is the triangle value is POM MOP. No need to take sequentially, right? Okay. OMP. We need to take this angle, this angle, this angle face to this. It is the height. It is the height, and it is the base. Okay. We need to take 10 value. Okay. 10 value. 10 60° is equals to OP by MP. OP by MP. OP by MP. Okay. If OP value is 200 and 60° is equals to √3, then we find MP value is equals to, okay, so MP is equals to 200 by √3. Okay, easy. Then OPN triangle, take OPN. Okay, if OPN triangle, we need to take 10-30°. What 10-30° is equals to height. Height means OP by PN. OP by PN. OP by PN. 10-30° value. We know 10-30° value. 10-30° value is 1 by √3. And OP value is 200 meter. And PN, we need to find PN value. Okay. Then PN is 200 √3 meter. Okay. Then we need to find the distance between MN. The MN is equals to MP plus PN. MP plus PN. What is the value of MP? 200 by √3. 200 by √3. What is the value of PN? Plus 200 √3. How to solve this? √3. √3 means 3. 3 to the 6. 600 plus 200 means 800 by √3. We need to take this √3 and this √3. Then 3 divided by 800 3 से कैंसिल होगा, 3 कैंसिल into √3, then find this value, then find mn value. Okay, easy. Then we need to take some question and solving height and distance. Okay, बहुत ही इजी टॉपिक, क्लियर। कल से हम लोग नया टॉपिक करेंगे, ठीक है। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय बाय। और अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना चैनल को और लाइक कर देना वीडियो को, ठीक है। ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड बाय।